Where are we going? To the pool. Tell people where we're going. We're going to the pool, y'all. We're going to the pool. At the pool. Over here. I got.
Almost like she's trying to find one that will have her. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Doesn't seem like, you know. You never know. Hello?
The ones that, like they're right here. Are these two right here?
I don't know. Where are these?
Yeah, these two.
Not going.
Hold on. Had a full day at the community pool in our neighborhood. So I asked me a bunch of little screaming kids. Pretty much. And chilling. Lifeguard chilling. And somebody honking.
Hi, Ronnie.
There's someone in the pool. I'll do it for you. I'll go in there and you go in there and I'll do it. 1, 2, 3. What's good? It's your girl Miss HTX over here riding around on a Sunday after hitting up the pool. Now I'm about to go kick it with some homies by the gallery and stuff, so that should be fun. Over here hanging out in my girl's car, her Mercedes ML350. I love it. But yeah, everything's good. Might as well open this thing up because having a good day outside. So hope everyone's having a good summer 2014. Check in with y'all later. Bye.